Story point. Story point is a way of qualifying the work items you have in your product backlog. It is a mechanism where you don't get into too much detail by way of doing work breakdown structure, creating activities, and identifying who is the one who is going to do it. Still, you can put some number which gives you a mechanism of making long-term forecast. Yes, this number will give you a long-term forecast ability with some error, but it is good enough at this particular stage of estimation. So what do we do? Rather than focusing on estimating efforts, we focus on estimating size. Size in the format of story points. How do we do it? We focus on comparing one item over other item and try to rank, is it more complex or is it less complex than that particular item. The items which are looking similarly complex, similar amount of work is needed, similar amount of variability is there, we will put the same number for those items, and this is way we do a relative estimation. So usually when we are putting a number or bucketizing these items into a particular box, we think about complexity, we think about amount of work we have to do, the amount of confidence we have, the risk associated with those work item. These kind of factors we think before we categorize a work item into a particular bucket. Now, what are those buckets? Usually we use non-linear series, modified Fibonacci series, like a 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and then we can have some modification. Because as the work items becomes bigger, we want to have a more gaps. Yeah. So an item which is more than 5, we directly want to give it 8 rather than 6 and 7, because we don't know, it could be 6, it could be 7, it could be 8. So we want to give a gap so that it helps us in doing better, improved estimation for overall product backlog. So as a project manager, you facilitate story point estimation for your agile team, and they are the one who will put these number to the various work items.